it is. I don't know what's going on. I go and turn the key and I get a loud buzzing and arcing sound. Once again, no glow plugs are lighting up. And obviously when I try to start it, just nothing. So as you see, we got a little issue here. The battery connector is cracked, probably causing not the best connection. I got a new one here. Might be a little too small there, but I got the brass one because I thought it would corrode. I got a little corrosion there. So first we're gonna do is, I guess, cut this off. Wish me luck. Okay, so I used the grinder, and as you can see, came right off. Came off easier than I thought. I'm gonna strip this wire, and okay, just with a little knife. It's kind of a rubber coating here. And there that beauty is, ready. So I got it fixed. It was around $5, $6. Hopefully this is it. Battery's still a little shaky, but good to go.